Process on how to upload your videos, and it's going to look different. I'm obviously on a Pixel, a Google Void, and Android. So you're going to download the YouTube Studio app, right? And you go to YouTube Studio. And when you go to YouTube Studio, it's going to have all of your prior stuff. So if you don't have a channel yet, you're going to have to build a channel. But there's a little plus button right up here at the top, and you're going to plus. And it's actually going to go to your videos. So I'm just going to pull one that I already have, and then I'm going to click done. And then what it's going to do is it's kind of going to do an initial, like, hey, this is where we're at. I always have mine, you can see right there, visibility set to private. So what this allows me to do is this allows me to go back in later on the computer. I log into the same account, and I can then go add a description. I can add my FCC statement. I can add my link, my deep link back to the product. I can add it to a playlist. I can create a thumbnail. I can do all of that stuff. You can do that from your phone. It's incredibly difficult. So I just upload it there. Now, if you have a VA or somebody else doing this for you, this is nice because you can give them kind of access, not full access to your account, and then they can do all that stuff on YouTube for you. So you'll see here that I have invite collaborator, paid promotion brands, blah, 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 all that stuff. I'll go back and do that on the computer. Hypothetically, I record the video on my phone, edit it on my phone, cut it, I upload it to Amazon, and then as soon as it's done uploading to Amazon, I upload it to YouTube. That's easier for me than going to Amazon and then trying to send it back to YouTube. For some people that's working better. Because I have an Android device, Google just works really, really well on all of my apps and stuff like that. So that's why I do it that way. If you have questions about this, let me know, but I'll just show you what you do. You finally, once you get everything done, you just click upload. And you'll see here that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. There's some duplicates. So I'm actually going to delete this one, and I'm going to delete this one because this is a duplicate. So you'll see right here that I've got, and the reason I can tell is because they just have the date, January 6th, January 6th, January 6th. If I pull this down and refresh it, you'll see that I have this new video sitting up at the top, and that it's uploading right now. So it's going to take less time to upload the video than it actually took me to make this video. So then once I have my videos on YouTube, I call this batch editing. I will go back on YouTube. I usually do this once a week, maybe twice a week, depending on how my week is going. And then what I'll do is I will just go up and add thumbnails, descriptions, titles to the video. I'll add links, I'll add cards, I'll do all of that stuff. Hopefully this is helpful for you. If you have questions, I plan to do more tutorials like this, but if you have questions, just reach out to me. Okay, thanks so much.